Hello, welcome to another exciting series. In today's series, Series 9, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula problem in mathematics, right? So let's quickly delve into it. Okay, so our question for the day is find the value of t in the given equation, leaving your answer in one decimal place when q equals 5, s equals 4, and r equals 10. So our given equation is t equals the fraction q square multiplying s over sr minus q square, right? So let's quickly solve the question, right? So based on the preamble of the question, we are given our equation to be t equals the fraction q square multiplying s over sr minus q square, right? Where t equals the fraction 5 square multiplying 4 because q equates to the value 5, okay, based on the question, and s equates to the value 4. So inserting our values into the equation, we are going to have t equals to the fraction 5 square multiplying 4, right, over 4 multiplying 10 and minus 5 square, right? So let's quickly break down the equation, right? So 5 square is given as whenever you have a number, right, like n, okay, and that number is a square, that means that number is twice itself, okay? So n square is given as n multiplying n, okay? So similarly, right, 5 square would be given as 5 multiplying 5, okay? 5 times 5, okay? So that would give you 5 squared. So we are going to have our 5 squared to be 5 multiplying 5, which is 25, okay? So that explains the square here. So our equation is going to be t equals to the fraction 25 multiplying 4 over 40, which is, we had it through SR, right? So 4 times 10 is 40, okay? And 5 square, as explained earlier on, is 25, right? So our t equals to the fraction 25 multiplying 4 over 40 minus 25, right? So let's move on, right? So 25 times 4 will give you 100, right? 40 subtracted from 25 will give you 15. So we are going to have our t to be the fraction 100 out of 15, right? That's our t. So therefore, right, our t, which is 100 out of 15, right, would give us 6.66667, okay? And based on the preamble of our question, we are to leave our answer in one decimal place, right? So leaving our answer in one decimal place, we are going to have our t to be t equals 6.7. That is to one decimal place, right? So that's our final answer, 6.7 in one decimal place. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.